Hello, and welcome to day 17 of learning Python from chatgpt. Let's get started. So this is what we did yesterday, just some simple file handling. So please give me lesson 17, day 17 of learning Python with you as my private tutor. Okay, so in this lesson we'll learn how to work with CSV, comma separated values in Python. CSV files are widely used for storing tabular data and are supported by many applications, making it important to understand how to read and write to these files. Okay, so CSV files are plain text files where each line represents a record. Each record is a set of fields separated by commas. Python's built-in CSV module makes it easy to read and write CSV files. Okay, so plain text file. So each line represents a record. Each record. Okay, I'll just see an example. Okay, name a city. So it's like a table. Okay, tabular. Yeah. Okay, so to read from a CSV file, you can use the csv.reader function, which returns an iterable reader object. .csv new line. What? New line equals. Okay, I don't get that. As CSV file, CSV reader equals CSV reader CSV delimiter. Okay. For row in CSV reader, print. Okay. So to write to a CSV file, we use the CSV writer function, which returns a writer object. Okay. Dict reader and dict writer allow you to work with CSV files using dictionaries, which can make your code more readable. Dict reader. Okay. For row age, row at name. Oh, okay, that's pretty cool actually. I like that feature. Right, header, right rows. So why wouldn't you ever just use writer? Dict writer is so much easier. How do I always do that? So create let's do the first one. How many? 4, okay. So let's do day 17. Day 17.py. And let's do the first assignment. So students.csv. If we try and my computer's not loading. New files students.csv. It's not associated with okay. Add. Install plugins. Okay, I'm gonna leave that for now. So let me just get rid of this tab. I'm just gonna ask it to give me. Please give me an example students.csv file for exercise 1. Okay. So now we can just paste this into students.csv. And this one's doing it normally, so how would you do that? So we import CSV first, don't we? So I'll just do it here. Import CSV. No, so that's reading. Are we reading in the first exercise? Yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna copy paste this for the moment. With open CSV, new line equals, I don't know what it's past then, but a CSV file. So CSV reader equals for row in. Okay, let's just run this and see what it does. No, example of CSV students. Okay, pretty easy. So we have a CSV reader equals csv.reader. We pass in the file and the delimiter, so we separate them by commas. Okay. So for row in CSV reader, we print comma space, then we join the next row. Okay. Okay, I get it. It's a new line, yeah. Okay, so now we go writing to CSV file. So assume we do with open. Oops, what is this? With open students.csv new line like that as CSV file to CSV writer equals CSV.writer CSV file 2, and with the delimiter is the same because it's the same file. So we can do CSV.write. How do we do it? Like, CSV.write rows data. CSV.write row. What was it? 41. Well, I don't know in Python why. Like, none of them are camel case or underscores. Write rows, so we're gonna just do. Actually, I'll just copy the example. Not all of it. I'll just copy data. I assume this is not appending, and it's just going to be like this. Not write rows data. Is this right? Write rows. It's all highlighted. Cannot reference it. Oh, CSV. Right. There we go. Okay, so run this and see if it works. You should just have. Not writable. Write to. What is this? I'll just copy paste the example a minute. Oh, you got to have pass in W for right. Oh yeah, because R is the default. Okay. From yesterday's lesson. Right, this should work. And if I check students.csv, we have Chicago at the end. Okay, let's go. That's good. And now for the next exercise. Modify the script, use reader. Okay. So do with open I'll just copy paste the one we did before. I'll have to change the naming a bit. As CSV file 3 read it equals csv dot dict reader. We pass in a CSV file, the delimiter is like this. Oh, CSV file 3. Okay, so now we do rows equals read it dot let's see, what did ChatGPT do? Oh, okay, it's even simpler. We don't even need to pass the delimiter. So for row in read dict print, was this the one where we format? Yeah, I'll just copy paste this. Oops. So we can print that. Now let's do the next one. So with open, let me copy this one again. But this one we need to also add the W for right. I think that's right, but we need this as 4. So write dict equals csv dot dict writer csv file 4. Oops. And then we do, oh, I've forgotten it. Write header. Field names. I'm just going to copy this. CSV field names equals. Okay, so we need to pass in that. Write header, and then we can write rows. So field names equals field names. Right it dot write header. Right it dot write rows. We pass in data equals field names. Okay, so is this the last one? Let's see. Advanced task. Create a Python script. Calculate. Okay. So this one's going to take some extra research, I think. Okay. So, write Python script that reads from. So we're going to do with open students.csv and it's going to be read, so we don't have to do anything. Then it'll be new line, was it? Yeah, new line equals just that, as file 4. Let's see, I'll scroll down. So then we'll use the dictionary, so read dict2 equals file 4 dot file 4 CSV dot dict reader. We pass in file 4, and then we'd have the array, so ages equals, and then we can do grade equals for I in read dict2 ages dot append, was it? Yeah, append row at age, I'm pretty sure it's age, yeah, ages dot, no, grades dot append row at grade. So that should be good. So now we do print grade average is there like an accumulate function in Python? For exercise 4, is there such thing as accumulate? Like to accumulate in C++, in Python. Let's see. Python iterables. Wait, let me know. I don't want to give them the whole solution. So I'm going to do import iterables. Sum. Okay. So we can do sum ages divided by len ages. Print. Oh no. We'll do age. So we did age average. Now we can do grade average sum grades divided by len grades. Now let's run this and see if it works. Field names. Required positional. What line is this? 32. Field names. Save that. What? Let's see. Dict writer. I'll just copy this a minute. CSV file 4. Now let's run it. The list is 147. Where? What? 34. CSV writer. Line 34. Right, header. Does it accept any arguments? No, it does not. Expected iterable. List of string. So okay, let me just comment this out a bit. I want to see if this last one works. For some reason it's not printing.